Hey guys, Jay here from Eastern Equipment. We have a late night repair video for you guys. Coming to you from Frankfurt, New York. All right, so we are going to talk about let's see, quick adapters. All right, and it's perfect timing because we were in the shop and we had to repair a couple today. So I figured, you know what, let's do a video for you guys. Let's show you guys how to repair one of these, and show you guys the old style, show you guys the new style, show you guys how to put the seal in, where the problems are with these couplers. Really great video for you guys, and you're going to save a lot of money, believe me. And I'd like to tell you that we are using a mic, so I hope everything comes out good with it. We're using just a remote mic. All right, let's get going on this. First thing we got. Okay, we've been doing this for 10 years. The rental business. The old style couplers that we used to have, which are these right here. Here's the female. Here's the male. These are no longer used with anything that we have. I don't know for a fact, but I think these are becoming obsolete. The problem with these couplers right here, there was a lot of leaks, and they were just really hard to replace. Pretty much, I think the EPA did away with these. So what we got here is the new style face couplers. So you got the female and you got the male end right here. The problem with this coupler is, for the first 5 years of owning the rental company, every time we needed to replace this, we had to replace the whole thing. That was at a cost of like $60. Bobcat dealers, they never had any seals. They kept telling us there's no seals available, and I mean, 2 or 3 times a year we'd have to replace these on each one of our attachments, and these are used on all of our remote attachments, like our grapple buckets, augers, stump grinders, anything that runs off the hydraulic system of a skid steer or excavator. So we really got sick and tired of buying couplers. So I figured, you know what, we're going to tear one apart and see what's going on. So we actually tore one apart for the male end right here, and we found out that there is an inner seal on this right underneath the face. If I could show you right now, that 90% of the time always goes bad. All right, now most guys, they're going to throw the whole coupler away and buy a whole new brand new coupler for Bobcat or from Cat or from John Deere. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to do that anymore. So this coupler right here, you're going to want to put, now we make different seal kits. We actually in shop, we have 3 different seal kits right now. This is one's a metric, one's a SAE. But these seal kits right here are basically for low pressure or water application. We have a hydraulic shop in our area. They're called Utica Mac, Marcy Hydraulics. He supplies us with all of the O-rings that we ever need for all of our couplers. And what we do is, on all of our trucks, we always make sure to keep a bag of 20 all the time in the glove compartment. So let's get into tearing this thing down right here. All right, so your typical male coupler, you have your internals, you have your poppet, and really simple. You have your seal up here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the old seal right here. And then you're going to see, it's really hard to see on camera too, and especially at night, there's actually a backer ring right here. All right. Now what happens with these couplers is, because they're constantly being connected and disconnected, you get a lot of wear in this area right inside here. The outside, no, not so much. But the inside always takes wear from the two couplers being connected to each other. And, you know, it doesn't take much to have them start leaking. You know, a little crack, a little wear point, and you're done. So what you do is you just, you know, get your parts. You get your new seal. You got to kind of bend it a little bit. Put it in place. And sometimes it takes a minute or two to get it in here. Sometimes if they're a little greasy, they're a little hard to get in. Got to make sure that backer ring's all the way up too. All right, there you go. It's right in the groove. All right, guys, that's it. So you got a brand new seal. Backer ring never wears out. Now that seal, I'm pretty sure that this is pretty much the same coupler on a lot of equipment. So that seal is a 5/8 inside diameter seal with a 13/16 OD on it. And if you guys need a part number, it is a 568-114. Like I said, 90% of the time, that's the only seal you're going to ever have to replace. That's going to save you 60 bucks right there. So let's get into putting this thing together. So you got your faceplate. All right. Now, because you got a brand new seal in here, this has got to pop that in there, and you're going to feel it. It's snug, too, when you put that in there. All right. Now, in this section right here, you're going to see another seal right here. That never goes. That's your internal seal, and you got your with a spring. These parts never wear out, and they never blow seals. All right, let's put that in there like that. It goes in there like that. So you put it upside down. And you get your poppet and your other spring. So basically it's two different parts that goes together. So what you do very slowly, so like that. And it's greasy, you know, so you gotta really grab it. And you're done, guys. I mean, you could easily, you know, we use a strap wrench to tighten these up. We'll put a crescent on one side because it's a big size. And we'll use a strap wrench on one side and tighten it up good. And then basically you bolt it back up to the machine. All right. So that should save you 60 bucks right there. Like I said, keep a bag of these for you guys that are out there on job sites. You know, you're in the woods. If you do a lot of remote jobs where you're going to be far away from the Bobcat dealers or far away from any parts stores, you want to keep a bag of these. Go to your local hydraulic shop. Get yourself a bag of 20 or 30 of these. Like I said, these are 20 cents a piece for these. All right, these are special O-rings right here. And that's it. So I hope this tip helped you guys. And, you know, we're going to be putting a lot more videos on for, you know, quick tips. I consider this a quick tip. And I really hope this helps you guys out. You know, you never know if you're you're in the woods and you need to, you got a leaky coupler and you need to get it replaced because you don't want once you start leaking hydraulic fluid, it's going to go all over the place. You're going to lose a lot of fluid. And right now, hydraulic fluid is very expensive. So I hope this tip helps you guys. All right. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.